We're going to dig a hole today and see if we can find water. No, not natural water. Water from a previous owner of this property. They've run it out here, but we're having trouble finding it and getting it fixed. There's some problems here. We'll tell you more about that as we get going. Let's get started.
Hey, if you appreciate our videos, please hit that like button as it helps the algorithm. And subscribe to find out what we're doing next. Thanks! This is a new neighbor's property. They haven't even moved into their house here yet. Mary Sue wants to bring her horses out, but she can't until she can get the water working to the shed. Another neighbor, Dave, is a plumber and is helping Mary Sue with this project. Dave reached out to Tim to see if he would be willing to dig these holes. And of course we're happy to help a neighbor out anytime. In this case, I guess we're helping out two neighbors at the same time. Dave's already worked his regular job and now it's early evening. We hope to get this done before the sun goes down.
We've been on this property several times actually. You've seen us spray for Mary Sue here. And, well, for the Mary Sue that was here. And yeah, we sprayed back here, we've mowed back here a time or two. And right next door is where we just planted the wildflower seeds. So that kind of gives you an indication of where we are. We drove Mickey or Minnie or whatever we're calling the mini excavator down here on the road. It took me about 15 minutes to get here. I've got two speeds, slow and slower. We've been digging here for a few minutes and we have found water. We have found a spot in the pipe that had a T that came up out of it without any plug or anything in it. They went and turned the water on and sure enough we've got a geyser. So I'm going to try to dig out beside Dave here a little bit so that he can then work. So Dave, if you don't mind, I'm going to dig right here.
Yeah, that's fine.
And then you can shovel into the hole that I make. It's really hard up here on top, and then when I get deeper, there's more moisture and it's not so hard. When I say really hard, I'm using Midwestern terms, right? No teeth on the bucket, I'm still able to dig.
So you're putting a new barn in?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
We're going to put in a new barn and a new, like a small indoor riding.
Oh, cool.
It's west of your shovel, right?
Yeah.
This is Dave, the plumber. He's not the homeowner, but the neighbor who's willing to help.
Where are you right now? On a valve right there?
Pipe is just on this side of my shovel.
Okay, so I'll be fine if I go in right by your shovel.
Yeah, a little that way. A little bit more. There you go. If you break it, it's not the end of the world. Ain't nothing I can't fix. So.
It makes me a lot more confident having you around, I must admit. There are 3 hand-operated valves down here. Dave's found 2 of them at this point. Installing these types of valves 4 foot below the surface doesn't really make any sense to me. We installed a valve a few months ago that's accessible from the surface even though it's underground by 3 or 4 feet. That style is still cost-effective and makes a lot more sense in this situation than this approach. Dave, I hit the line out here. I hit the line out here to the east. I don't know if I tore it up or not. To the east. Right there, see it?
Oh.
That's why I brought the bucket without teeth.
Nah, I think we're good.
Okay, good.
I guess now, can we have you go over there? Dig that way, see if we can find this third valve since it's not that way. There should be one more valve that controls those 2 hydrants out there.
Okay, so you want me to go essentially straight south, like right between those 2 posts Mary Sue's standing between?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, I think.
Do you have enough out of here?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I don't know what we would do without you guys. It's like, what?
Looks like poison ivy on there, but you won't be able to get it. It'll be too heavy.
Yeah, you're not lifting that. No. Whoa. You don't know your strength, buddy.
Sometimes I don't know my own strength.
Yeah, that's what I just said. Hey.
I think we're good, Tim. I just found the other valve.
Oh, he found it.
Okay, you want me to come back in there and help you dig?
No, I think I just got to crumb this out. It's right here. You know what, Tim? It probably wouldn't hurt. Maybe dig out from here that way a little bit.
Okay, cool. I like to dig.
Oh, there you go.
Wow.
All right, drop it.
Only got one left. I may as well get it out of here.
Yeah. That's pretty dry. Whoa.
Ooh, did I tear that up? Here, let me dig some beside, and then you won't have to work so hard. That's weird.
Yeah. 45 on it.
To go downward,
Yeah.
going even deeper. Unbelievable.
Most of the shoveling is. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, moral support. You are doing great.
Sound like my supervisor.
Dave, when you get the chance, just straighten that angle out.
Let me get my torch.
Yeah, that's kind of bizarre, isn't it?
That is. I don't know why they would have drove it down farther. That doesn't make any sense, but.
I think that is the line out west to those two.
Yeah.
And then
Still going deeper?
Yeah, it's diving. I said that'd probably be the last bucket you need to take. So
okay, so if that line is fine, then we can use that line.
so now the next question is replacing these hydrants.
Yes.
Yes.
And we are going to do that, and Christy already has filled us in on what we may replace them with.
Dave may not have heard of yard hydrant made easy. We
But
have.
it looks like it's got a like a pitless adapter.
Yeah, and you slide it down in. It works well. We've got 2 of them in our yard. I think we've installed 4 or 5 now.
My suggestion right now, this valve here is bad. This valve here is bad. What I would suggest, let me come back, cut all 3 of these out and replace them. And then whatever you want to do with these 3, if you want to go ahead and start digging them up, and we can get them replaced. And that one over there, we get a hole big enough,
Just leave a line.
I'll just cut a T. And if you, I mean,
Cap it.
I can either cap it or I can valve it.
There's a hydrant in there. I don't know if you can see it. Wow. How far down does it go?
Well, it's
That's a
probably
good
that
question.
5 feet.
Since that thing angles down.
Yeah.
I think the way he's doing it's going to be perfect if he just digs on the other side of it. down to the pipe, and then let me, if the posts come out, that's great. If the hydrant leans over and snaps, that's fine.
Okay.
But I don't see any reason why he needs to dig straight down here. But you should be parallel with the pipe on either side of it. So if you get down deep enough on both sides, whatever's in the middle, just leave it, and I'll take care of it.
Okay.
We'll have to get below the
Yeah,
pipe for that to work.
yeah. And I'll deal with the rest. This one's going to be abandoned, so I'll wind up splicing it.
It's going to be abandoned.
Yeah.
Yes. So if you break it, it's fine.
Well, yeah, but we still got to be able to find the pipe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It is. I wonder how deep that. That's very interesting.
Well, they definitely got it below the freeze thaw
Oh yeah.
line.
Yeah.
So I figured the worst thing could happen if the pipe's running over this way and they laid a T on its side and shot this way or shot this way and you hit it. I don't care.
Okay.
It's not that big of a deal.
Okay.
It can't be much deeper, can it?
There we go. Whoa, it pulled it off.
I think we're having a ton of fun here.
Well, if they'd have done it right, they should have put gravel around it, but I
Well, I was wondering about that myself, and if we should do that. But
Yeah.
Yeah, that's exactly the thought that's passing through my mind.
You may be near it.
Because there is a little bit of gravel there.
Yeah. Hey, you dropped dirt on my head. See, it feels like there's something.
Uh-oh.
Oh,
Sorry about that. That's the line, isn't it?
yeah, I think so. What about this way? Does it go off to the other one way down there? Okay.
Okay. Wow.
Now to get out.
This is fun.
Tim took the Mini X and just left us. It took Mary Sue and I a couple of minutes to climb out of that hole. Tim had already started digging when I brought over the camera.
Do you see the bottom, or do you just see the... Okay, so you can see the connection.
Yes, uh-huh.
Not a good day to wear white pants.
She said they're her work pants.
Oh, yeah.
We don't have to expose it much more, do we?
No, no.
You're
Dave will be able
good.
to get that from there.
Yeah.
We've got one more down on the far end. Is that right?
Oh, that's in the field.
Yeah.
You're all the way down past the
See if you can use your shovel to pry apart those two posts. See how they
Oh.
got two nails in them?
Oh.
Put the shovel in between and pry apart. There you go. Grab the end of your shovel.
It's most leverage.
Ooh, well, maybe not. There you go.
Whoa! Mary Sue is okay. Don't worry. Okay, you've exposed it near the bottom. You see it? You can see the pipe now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah.
In fact,
Yep, there we go. Whoa, whoa, okay.
guess what?
There we go.
There we go.
That's right. Yank it out of there.
There's water in there.
It's not running though, is it?
No.
And he can see it good right there, can't he?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Does this cedar tree need to go?
You'll-
Yes. You're having fun now.
goodness.
Don't have the right bucket on for this task, but hey, I'm here.
It's still here. Roots cracking. Whoa. Don't drop it.
How deep do you need it out? Your building's not going to be right there, is it? I think that's good enough for tonight. If
I think it's wonderful. You did it.
okay, we'll be
Job
back
well done.
when Dave's done. We'll be back to clean all this up.
Okay.
Probably not with this rig, though.
Probably a different rig.
Well, it's kind of fun seeing all your different stuff.
This one's kind of fun. It's destructive.
It really is.
Yeah.
That's great to get that tree down.
All of this after about 5 o'clock. Quite an enjoyable evening just to spend with the neighbors. Wonderful day. Hope you guys have enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time on Tractor Time with Tim. The commandments: you shall not commit adultery, you shall not murder, you shall not steal, you shall not covet, and whatever other command there may be are summed up in this one command: love your neighbor as yourself. Can you get my limb off there?
Yeah.
Thank you.